Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're in Asheville, North Carolina. To the right is the French Broad River. This is our first time back to Asheville in the last year and a half since Hurricane Helene flooded the entire area. We've already seen damage that's still prevalent from the hurricane a year and a half ago. Today we're at the North Carolina Arboretum. We're here to see something magnificent lurking in the woods. Stick around. Can't wait to see what we find out here lurking in the woods. Here we go. This is wild. I mean, it is wild, but that's also the name of the troll. I think he's saying, check it out.
Check it out.
Come get your picture drawn by a troll.
Okay, I think I'll do the household one.
And we start our journey in the garden, which is up here. The hidden costs of light and noise. How can you think creatively to help reduce pollution in your community? There's a troll map. We found 148. Tax. So the troll display here in Asheville is a unique display. These trolls are smaller than most of Thomas Dambo's trolls, and they were brought here to help increase tourism after Hurricane Helene. They're beautiful. That's some nice woodwork. Check out those mushrooms. My friend Pat would like that. Vale. Looks like Vale's asleep. You'll notice that all the feet have footprints on them. They all have toenails, of course. The way they're designed is so lifelike. Look at the fish. And here's Big Nut. He's trying to trap humans. So this is Big Nut, and his task in life is to try to trap humans. And he has this really interesting trap with, oh no, it looks like he caught Paula. I wonder if he's figured out, oh, he has. He's figured out if you give away gasoline or free things, that's how you trap a human. I think we spotted another one over here. Is he on his tippy toes? Thomas Dambo has got art like this. Thomas Dambo trolls are fun for all ages. Isn't that right, sir? Look at that. It looks like Paula got caught again. Thomas Dambo accepts volunteers to build his trolls, and they're all built out of reclaimed and recycled materials. Here's Bogey. How's it feel being held by a troll?
Squishy.
Bogey observes that humans, like nature, can be both powerful and fragile. I guess so, if he's gonna squeeze you. What a beautiful view.
That is gorgeous.
Troll sighting ahead. Mm-hmm. What is he doing? Let's play the copycat game. Who's going to do that? Not me. This is Kierce. really think they put these guys down here at the bottom of the hill just so we'll get some exercise.
I do believe so as well.
Shiny, colorful food presents. Packed with problems, all the plastic. This is Poppy. Poppy doesn't like plastic. Look what he's found. All this waste. Yes, you can pick their nose. All right, Poppy. Pose for the picture. Pose for the picture. Smile.
Look.
Everybody's coming to see the trolls. He's right over there. Where are all the bugs? This takes some serious upside down thinking. This is Huss. I think he should have been named Booty, but he's looking for insects. These trolls are about 7 to 9 feet tall. Most of the trolls are 20 to 30 feet. So these are very interesting because we get to touch them and see them up close. And it's the exact same style as the large ones. What do you see up there?
I think it's a troll.
Where's he at?
Over there with all those people.
He's got friends.
Yes, he does.
Let's go see him.
Let's go. It's got a following, honey.
I know, look. Explore, observe, and discover the power of field studies and community science. This is Birch. I guess because he's holding a birch cane. Look at the art. Oh, it's carved.
When did you walk? 16. 2016. And this is where it is. How did you get the little... Oh, that's not my
I mean, that does kind of look like 80s hair metal hair, doesn't it? This is Birch, number 145. What is it?
It's wood, but it's his eyebrows. Look
I know,
at
but
it.
look, what are they made of? Like the bark?
It's like rotten bark or something.
That's cool.
But
And look, the screw is the eyeball. Or the pupil, anyway.
pupil, look at him.
Yeah. Troll sighting ahead.
Woohoo!
We found Lark. Such a lark. He's all into trash talk. He doesn't understand why people wait in line for food and leave trash everywhere. So this is Lark. And he has a trash can on his head. Look at that.
You know what you can do?
There's Lark. Well, we didn't get out of going down a steep hill and back up. We have to go all the way down there to see.
Honey. Cardio.
Cardio. To see the last one? Or the second to last one?
Last one.
I think we've got one more troll. There he is. See him? He's right over there. That's nice. Oh, he's throwing pebbles in the pond. Anja or Anja? You tell me in the comments. I don't know how to pronounce that. It probably has something to do with the Danish language. Why are there so many metal beasts? using stones to count the number of metal beasts that go by. Roadblocks of car culture.
You guys want your picture taken? Huh?
I'm here with Chris. Here's Chris.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
It has been a fantastical day journeying around the North Carolina Arboretum, checking out 12 amazing trolls from Thomas Dambo. Thank you guys for joining us on today's journey. We'll see you guys in the comments. Thank you so much. Want to say a big shout out to Chris, Deb, and Deb. They go by D and Double D, and we really enjoyed meeting them today. We'll see you guys in the comments. Have a good one.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.